Yo, what is going on YouTube? This is Josh with American AF Dumpster Rentals in Dallas at the HQ. Today is kind of a slow day for us, and we have a lot of dumpsters back at the yard because it's like 2 days before Christmas. When you guys see this, it'll probably be after. But because we got a lot of dumpsters back at the yard, I'm going through and I am updating or putting in fresh batteries into all the AirTags, and then I'm adding some AirTags. I've got some extra ones here, and I've got these little cases. So I've used two different cases over time. One, this package are kind of tore up, but one is the Pelican cases, which is the same brand that makes those Pelican gun cases and stuff like that. Very, very good brand. I like those, but I honestly like these a little bit more, just because they're shaped the way they are. They're more discreet, I guess you can say. These are tag vaults. They're waterproof. They're called made by Elevation Lab. I will tag these in the description below if anybody wants them. Again, very simple and inexpensive AirTags. I think you buy 4 for 99 bucks. The batteries probably last, I don't know, 6 months to a year. And if you don't stay on top of them like I haven't, you'll have a whole bunch that'll be really, really either low or dead. So I'm going through and, like I said, updating, putting in new batteries in the ones that are dead, and installing ones that have either been lost over time or some of them I didn't even place dumpsters on. So this one's 1504. I just synced this one with my phone. I'm gonna drop this in there. This is a very inexpensive way to track your dumpsters. It's not really like, obviously, I'm sure I'm gonna get some comments below talking about, oh my gosh, you just let the bad guys know where you put your AirTags. Okay, so if you're trying to steal one of my dumpsters and you're literally watching this to find out where an AirTag is, I guarantee you probably were gonna steal it anyways. So this is more for me to like internal tracking. If we for some reason lose track of one of our dumpsters or whatever it is, I can track them via my app. I do know there's also a limit as to how many you can put on one account, but you know, you can put one, I think there was 17 or 20 per account, but you know, you can put your daughter, I probably use my daughter, I could use my wife, but you can probably use other people's accounts. I'm just saying that. So anyways, I like to place them right under the latch for the chain for the door to latch your doors open. So I already wiped this off with alcohol, and then you just remove the sticker on the back of the case. The sticker does not want to come off. Oh my gosh, bruh. All right, so remove the sticker, and then you just stick it nice and hold it down for about 20-30 seconds. And this is how I track my dumpsters nowadays. Kind of how I've tracked my dumpsters all the time. Back when I had dump trailers, obviously they make wired trackers, GPS trackers that you can put, that you can wire right to your battery. Those are kind of nice. However, when you don't have obviously a battery on a dumpster, this is probably the easiest, least expensive way to do it. So we're gonna put one more over here, and I'm gonna show you how I connect it to my account real quick. So this one's 1505. I have not put a tracker on this one yet, so we're gonna go ahead and add one right now. I have a pack of 3 that I had here. A pack of 4, I had used one. So these have been in the truck for quite a while. So you basically just literally unwrap it, and as soon as you pull this, it connects to battery, and you'll hear it beep. Open up your Find My app on your phone, hit the little plus item. Actually, it just read it automatically. We can hit connect. I'm gonna put custom name. This one is 1505. Ask for an emoji. I usually use the little trash button, and it's connecting. And it beeps again. It says it's with me right now. I'm done. And it's on my list of, you can see how I haven't updated one. I've got one on my dog, and then these are all the other ones I've got. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this in the case. They come with little alcohol wipes. So you're gonna take it and you're just gonna wipe where you're gonna put it on, where you're gonna mount it to. You know, that nasty stuff, nice, clean. Open her up. Drop it in, simple as that. Doesn't really matter which way it goes. I usually like to have the battery out. There we go. Remove the sticker. Let's hold it down for about 10-20 seconds. Now I've got some of these Pelican cases that have been on these dumpsters for 2+ years. So this stuff sticks really good. It's good 3M double-sided tape. It sticks really good, even on a very porous surface like the bottom of this. It's not really smooth. That's it. So now we've got that one tracked. We're gonna go see if 2505 has one and change out the battery on it. 2503, 2506. I don't see one on 2505. Nope, there's not one there. Let's go look at another one. So we're gonna change out the battery on 2503 real quick. There we go. So again, just to change it out. What's nice about the case is I don't have to pop it off. I just unscrew the case. You push this down, twist, pop out the battery. Simple as that. Something this simple gives you such peace of mind when you're like, oh shit, I don't know where all my dumpsters are at. There we go. Easy. Honestly, the 25s don't even go out as much as the other ones do, so I should probably eventually take these off, the 25s. Done. It covered up the graffiti, so.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So it's good use again?
Yeah.
Alright.
It looks patched up. It's stupid because it's not the same paint, but whatever. Alright, be safe. That one did not stick. It's much nicer to put these on when they're new. I have all the nasty grime from landfills. Did not want to stick. Shoot. Scrape this crap off of it. Usually these stick really well. These are at least a year or 2 years old, but they've been just sitting in the truck, so. Oh, that's better. Leave that there. We're good. All right. So we're good for now. I'll have to get some more AirTags for all my extra. I haven't put any on any 30s yet, so we'll add those up. But yeah, if you want an inexpensive way to track your equipment, AirTags are definitely the way to go. I would go with the other round ones, more so than the Pelicans. That's why you opt for the hydraulic jack. Nobody wants to do this. That should slide right under, we'll see. Really? Send it. Ah! When you're lazy, you find out ways to make things easier. There she blows. We got her hooked up. What do you do with the rest of this, all the rest of this chain? That's not bad, actually. Good thing we're not going far. Hook up the back one back here and we're good to go. Sweet, I'm done. Let's go. They're all loose. Hold on, someone's coming. I don't know what made them loosen up that bad. This is a lot. My tires are pretty squished. That pulled this one back, so made it nice and tight again. We shall see. Good thing we don't have far. That's what I said last time. Move the trailers.
Round one. Fight. Fatality.
Well, that was a fail. One of the main reasons I brought my tractor over here is because I wanted to be able to move the trailers with the tractor. And yeah, I'm surprised. I really thought this thing has lifting capacity of 2,000 pounds. I mean, it's not lifting the entire trailer, just lifting the front end enough to get the weight on the wheels. So I really thought that, I don't know. If it's not going to pick up the Max D, it's definitely not picking this one up. I don't even need to pick it up. I just need to get off the ground a little bit.
Round two. Fight. Fatality.
No good. No bueno. Let me go ahead and put this inside for now. Inside.
Round three. Fight. Perfect KO.
We're definitely have to rethink the whole tractor thing now. Are the doors? What doors? Oh, not with the tractor. So we'll do it with the tractor. That'll be the next video.
How heavy are those doors?
I think they're like 800 pounds. They should. With that, we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. It's gonna be our Christmas Eve tomorrow. So wish you guys had a great Christmas, but Make sure you like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. We'll see you on the next one.